Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back. Happy New Year if I haven't said Happy New Year to you yet. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a luxurious body and face cream without the hassle of having to heat up any ingredients. Yes, in this video, I'll show you how to make a simple yet very effective cold processed body and face cream in just minutes. Now, I'll show you the step-by-step of how to combine your ingredients. I'll discuss the ingredients you need, how to mix them together to get the perfect consistency, and even how you can customize these ingredients to get the viscosity that you want for your need. Now, by the end of this video, you'll be able to make a luxurious cold processed body and face cream that will leave your skin feeling soft and moisturized. And the best part is you do not need to heat up any ingredients. So make sure you watch this video till the end to see how we make this wonder. Okay, welcome back. So to make this simple formula, you need beakers. You need 2 or 3 beakers to put your ingredients in. So we have different phases for this product. Just like your hot process cream making, you definitely need your phase 1, which would be maybe your water phase, and you need your oil phase as well. And you also need your 3rd phase, which would be your antioxidants, actives, preservatives, or whatever you want to add in this product. Now, we also need scale. The scale is there to help you measure your ingredients appropriately. Make sure you are using a scale because cosmetic formulas are measured in weights and not by quantity, like it's teaspoons and all of that. So yeah, and here I have 2 different scales. I have a scale that measures from 0.00, and I have a scale that measures from 0 to and above. So the first phase, we need water. Water here is our continuous phase. Just like in other processes of making skincare products, you have continuous phases. It could be your oil phase or it could be your water phase, but in this process the water phase is my continuous phase. The next ingredient we will need is our glycerin, and we're adding that into our water. Glycerin is a humectant and it's a type of moisturizing agent that helps to pull water from the inner layer of your skin to the outer layer of your skin to help keep it moisturized, okay? And we're also using it here as a solvent that will help to hydrate other ingredients that I'm going to show you in the future, all right? And then we need our 2nd beaker, which will be for our oil phase. Now, because this is a cold process cream, we are not using butters. I haven't tried it with softer butters, but I know that it's something I'd like to try. I think I'll try it. But for this video, I am using plant oil, and this is olive oil. You can use any other plant oil that you are okay with. You can also use oil esters if you don't want that thick consistency, but this is what I'm using here. And also you can also use plant oils that are clear if you want your cream to be plain pure white. And next we are using Sucragel. Now the Sucragel is one of the ingredients we will use here that will give us the emulsification that we are looking for. Now, Sucragel holds oil in place in a stable micro emulsion, and when water is added, the mixture changes into a cream or a light lotion. Now, this ingredient is a game changer when it comes to making creams, because with this ingredient, you don't need to heat up your phases. You don't need to heat up your oil phase or your water phase. All you need to do is add your Sucragel at the appropriate percentage and you will get an emulsion, okay? This ingredient is a cold process emulsifier. It is a self-emulsifying ingredient depending on the percentage that you use. It will make it self-emulsifying or co-emulsifying. So now we are going to add that into our oil. Now, this may not thicken up immediately. You will need to use your hand blender to create the emulsion. But if you add your gum into your water before you add the oil phase into the water, you will get an immediate thickened cream. But in this video, I did it the other way. I added my gum after I have added my oil phase, so you will see that in a bit. But this is what the mixture looks like after mixing it for a while with my hand whisk. I saw that I wanted to just do this without any form of electricity and all of that, but I was too lazy, so I still went ahead to use my hand blender to blend it in the future. Now, this is my gelling agent, or if you don't have the gelling agent, I'm going to show you now, you can use xanthan gum. But this is Sucragel, and Sucragel is an eco-friendly grain processed gelling agent. It is a stabilizer, it is a co-emulsifier, it is a suspending agent, and it is also a skin feel enhancer. And this helps to decrease transepidermal water loss to keep the skin moisturized. And as little as 1% can increase the slide with an ultra soft afterfeel with good spreadability on the skin. And I am using this here also as a thickener for my product. This will help create the emulsion that I'm looking for. Now, I went ahead also to add vitamin E oil, which will act as an antioxidant to create a protection for my oils from going rancid, and also to protect my products from oxidizing. Now, this is a mixed tocopherol vitamin E. And then I also went ahead to add my preservative. And as always, for my beginner-friendly products, I always use Jamal Plus, because Jamal Plus is easy to source, easy to use. It doesn't have any pH adjustment and all of that. It is okay for beginners to use. Now, as you can see, my cream is very, very creamy, but it is giving a lotion vibe. And this is because the Sucragel has not fully hydrated. So I'm going to keep it for a while and then come back after a few minutes or a few hours to check the product if it has hydrated and see what is going on. Mind you, this is the first time I was making this product, yes, and there are a lot of things that I would change next time when I'm making it, like make sure that my thickeners are added at the appropriate times, but it still came out beautifully. Okay, now like you can see, I went ahead to use my emulsion blender to properly whisk everything together. And then yes, you will have those bubbles. If you have them, it's fine. All you have to do is leave it to burst, and then you will have your cream ready. So after a few minutes, I came back and this is what I have. The cream is still a bit flowy or runny. I left it to, hydrate some more, and I went ahead to do other things, and then came back a few hours later to see how our cream was doing. And this was several hours later. I came back and the cream has thickened up beautifully. It has given us a beautiful, beautiful cream consistency, which is what I love. Now, let me give you a trick, okay? Depending on the percentage of the Sucragel that you are using, you can skip the Sucragel and use xanthan gum clear, okay? With xanthan gum clear, you will get a more especially if you're looking for like a creamy consistency, you will get it better with the xanthan gum. And you can also use both the silly gel and the xanthan gum together to create a more thicker cream. Now at the end, I added a tiny pea size of xanthan gum. Like I said, this was the first time I was making this product, and I will definitely change a few things when I do it next time, which is what I am explaining to you now. You can go ahead and add a higher percentage of your silly gel, or you can go ahead and add both silly gel and xanthan gum, or you can just use your xanthan gum and you will get a beautiful consistency. There was no need to heat up any ingredients, because heating up your ingredients, sometimes we overheat it and then we spoil the effectiveness of the product. So this process is a very, very beautiful process to do if you are trying to keep all your ingredients intact. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe so you can have more beautiful videos like this in the future, as I always bring you innovative ideas and simple recipes that can help your business and help you as a person making cosmetic products at home. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. And also, please let me know in the comment section what you think about this formula. If you make this formula, please give me your feedbacks. Just basically let me know what you think or what you feel about this particular formula, and I would really, really love to hear your ideas on videos that you want me to do in the future. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful formula. I will most definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.